vast array of human beings, there exists a rare gem hidden in the shadows, scarcely acknowledged and rarely understood, the Sigma female. Like a whisper in the wind, her presence is felt, yet remains elusive, defying the conventional molds that society so eagerly imposes. The layers of mystery surrounding these enigmatic beings must be lifted in order to unveil their profound essence. Sigma females, often overlooked and underrepresented, exist on the margins of popular culture. Unlike their more noticeable counterparts, they do not fit neatly into society's predefined categories of femininity. Instead, they carve out their own niche, embodying a complexity that transcends labels and defies expectations. What sets Sigma females apart is not just their uniqueness but their rarity. In a world where obedience is prized and individuality is often suppressed, these women stand out as beacons of authenticity. Nonetheless, it is ironic that their scarcity makes them harder to see. Rarely discussed in popular media or cultural narratives, Sigma females remain hidden in plain sight, their presence acknowledged only by those who dare to look beyond the surface. But why are Sigma females so rarely spoken of? Perhaps it is because they defy easy categorization, challenging the binary notions of femininity that dominate our collective consciousness. They are the complete opposite of the extroverted social butterflies and introverted people, a mystery that defies explanation. However, the primary characteristics that set them apart from their typical counterparts are that they are 1. The silent observers. In the hustle and rush of everyday life, Sigma females stand as silent observers, their keen eyes capturing the intricate dance of social dynamics with a clarity that eludes many. While others may chatter away, Sigma females choose to remain on the periphery, their presence a quiet yet apparent force in any gathering. Sigma women are not merely spectators, rather, they are sharp observers of human nature. From the nuances of body language to the subtleties of tone, they possess an innate ability to read between the lines, uncovering truths that lie hidden beneath the surface. While others may engage in foolish conversations, Sigma females prefer to listen, absorbing every word like sponges and distilling meaning from the chaos of voices that surround them. It is this quiet behavior that often leads others to underestimate the depth of Sigma females. Mistaken for being detached or disinterested, they are frequently overlooked in favor of more vocal personalities. Yet beneath the quiet surface lies a mind brimming with profound insights, a storehouse of wisdom forged through years of silent observation that makes them the 2. Unconventional mavericks. Because in a world where social norms bind people to predetermined roles and expectations like invisible shackles, Sigma females stand out as rebellious spirits freed from the bonds of conformity. Their journey is truly remarkable, as they are the outlaws of femininity, forging their own path in the face of a sea of conformity. Picture this: while others may tread cautiously along the well-worn path of tradition, Sigma females kick off their shoes and dance freely in the meadows of possibility. They choose to chart their own course, with a daring that astounds onlookers, choosing not to be constrained by the narrow parameters of society expectations. But make no mistake, this defiance isn't born out of mere rebellion, it's rooted in a deep-seated sense of self-awareness and conviction. Sigma females possess an innate understanding of who they are and what they stand for, and they refuse to compromise their authenticity for the sake of fitting in. They are the architects of their own identity, sculpting it with the blade of independence and the hammer of resilience. In a world that often seeks to diminish the voices of women, Sigma females refuse to be silenced. They speak their truths with a clarity that cuts through the noise of societal expectations, challenging the accepted norms with every word they utter. These lay the foundation for them to be true. 3. Resilient innovators. In the face of adversity, Sigma females emerge as shining beacons of resilience and adaptability, illuminating the path forward with their unwavering determination and unparalleled ingenuity. Unlike those who falter under the weight of hardship or seek refuge in the familiar comforts of societal norms, these remarkable women stand tall, confronting challenges head-on and transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth. At the core of the Sigma female's resilience lies an unshakable sense of self-assurance, forged through a lifetime of navigating the complexities of existence on their own terms. Rather than relying on external validation or seeking comfort in the approval of others, they draw strength from within, tapping into reservoirs of courage and determination that run deep within their souls. However, the ability to think creatively under pressure is what really makes Sigma females unique. These forward-thinking women welcome change as a catalyst for transformation, while others might stubbornly hold on to the current state because they are terrified of the unknown. Conventional limitations do not restrain their thoughts. Rather, they soar unrestricted, venturing into unknown lands and imagining possibilities where others see only boundaries. However, they do not do it for attention or to validate the weak. Instead, they are the true. 4. Power in silence. In a world where noise is often mistaken for power and silence for weakness, Sigma females stand as models for the profound strength found in silence. Their mastery lies not in the volume of their voice, but in the depth of their silence, a silence that speaks volumes to those attuned to its resonance. The calmness with which Sigma females move through the chorus of voices demanding attention is both captivating and imposing. They understand that words once spoken cannot be unsaid, and thus choose their utterances with extreme care. Rather than engaging in superficial chatter for the sake of validation, they prioritize substance over spectacle, allowing their actions to speak louder than words ever could. It is in this intentional control that the true power of Sigma females is revealed. Their quiet confidence is not born of arrogance or pride in themselves, but of a profound self-assurance rooted in inner knowing. They do not seek validation from external sources, for they understand that true validation comes from within. 5. Non-competitive and empathetic. In a world where competition is often celebrated as a driving force for success, the Sigma female emerges as a gentle, yet powerful counterbalance to the prevailing ethos. Unlike the competitive spirit that fuels many endeavors, she navigates life's challenges with serene confidence, untouched by the need to prove herself in the eyes of others. Her journey is not defined by comparisons or victories over others, but by a deeply rooted sense of self-awareness and inner peace. Rather than seeking validation through rivalry, the Sigma female finds fulfillment in uplifting and empowering those around her. Her actions are guided not by the desire to outshine or outperform, but by a genuine desire to see others flourish. She understands that her true strength lies not in asserting dominance, but in fostering a sense of unity and collaboration within her community. Because regardless of how composed and strong a Sigma female may appear, the unmatched empathy that the Sigma female possesses is at the core of who she is. She possesses a profound understanding of the human experience, allowing her to connect with others on a level that transcends superficial boundaries. Her empathy knows no bounds, extending kindness and understanding to all who cross her path, regardless of their background or circumstances. In a world where conflict and division are common, the Sigma female is a light of kindness and peace. She recognizes the inherent worth and dignity of every individual, and her actions are guided by a deep sense of respect for the humanity of others. Through her words and deeds, she strives to create a world where empathy reigns supreme and where kindness is the currency of meaningful connection. Despite their rarity, Sigma females are an important thread in the fabric of society, weaving a tapestry of complexity and depth. Yet, their presence often goes unnoticed, overshadowed by louder voices clamoring for attention. It is time to acknowledge and celebrate these enigmatic beings, for in their silence lies a wisdom that transcends words, a wisdom waiting to be heard. But what if Sigma females prefer to go unnoticed, learn more about life, and pursue more independent interests? So the next time you encounter a Sigma female, take a moment to appreciate the rarity of her presence. For she is not just another face in the crowd, but a silent force reshaping the very fabric of femininity, one enigmatic step at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Until we meet again,